G'day guys, we're just out on the Noosa River at the moment, just in some of the back sort of waters where all the houses are. And Scotty's up here on holidays at the moment. He's out there on his ski. He's doing, he's fishing light, just the same as I am. We're both fishing a squidgy wriggler on a hidden weight. We'll show you that a little bit later on. And yeah, we're just having a bit of fun. It has not stopped raining since Scotty's come up here. It is absolutely been pouring down, horrible rain, and this is probably the best day we've had. He's still here for a few more weeks yet, so we'll definitely get out and do a little bit more fishing. Hopefully get out on the boat, maybe go offshore, but really enjoying you know, sharing a bit of time with Scotty here, just on the just flicking lures around. It's just great fun. It's so good. All right, there he is up on his paddle ski. If that was me, I'd be in the water within 2 seconds. He's already landed a couple of bream, and he landed an absolute cracker, 30 centimeters, but we didn't have the camera on or anything. We just sort of came round for a bit of a paddle, and we thought, geez, this isn't a bad little little session. Maybe we should film a little bit of this. How's it going there, Mr. Hook? How many bream have you got up to now?
5 I'm on now.
5?
5.
Hey, this guy would catch fish in a bathtub. I think I've told everybody that.
Sometimes you get lucky.
He's taught me too well, but I am catching him up. You got one? Oh, nice. Well done. All right. So Scotty's on. Do you need the net, Scott?
No, I'm right.
What do you reckon it is? Bream or trevally?
No, nice bream.
Nice bream?
Yeah.
Sure you don't want the net, mate? Just throw him straight onto the board and bring him over. Look at you. Hey, skillful, mate. Oh, that's a good bream. That's a cracker. Well done, mate.
Yeah. So that same thing, the lure landed,
Yeah.
pulled it straight away.
Yeah.
Surprise approach is the
That's a cracking bream.
way to get them. Look at that.
Hold on, I'll come over to you, mate. I'll come over to you.
Here we go.
Beautiful. Well done, Scotty.
Yep. My favourite little lure, the bloodworm wriggler.
How long you had that lure? Hey?
One of many. Oh, it's a good hook up too, right in the corner of the mouth. There we go.
There's a cracker.
Yeah. Nice fish, eh?
Yeah.
Anyway, back he goes.
Yeah. Beautiful. Well done, mate. Happy holidays. Happy Noosa.
Oh, that's a good little pick coming up here, wasn't it?
Yeah, that was your idea.
Yeah, good
well
fun.
done.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get into a few more.
See if we can
Let's
find
move
one.
on. Well guys, I'm out here with Scotty at the moment. I'm out on the Hobie, and looks like I might have hooked myself a trevally. Scotty's landed 4 bream on his
The old paddleboard.
on his old paddleboard. I can't believe it, and he's bragging, telling everybody how he's caught 4. I got 1 little jack tonight. We haven't really been filming, to be honest, just having a bit of fun. Scott's up here on holidays, so yeah, looks like it might be a trevally, Scotty. Little,
Yeah, nice.
and it's on one of those new squidgies too, Scott.
Oh yeah.
Really lightly weighted.
Yeah, nice.
I'm only on 4-pound line, so I just got to be careful. There he goes. There we go. Woo!
Oh, well
Nice
done.
one.
The cook. Hey, comes up trumps on a nice trevally.
Thank you.
Well done.
Scotty just got an absolute ripper of a bream before, right up in the corner,
Yep.
and then he started cheating. Somebody brilliant up there, bream with some bread, and Scott's just thrown a lure straight in, hooked up. Typical bloody hook. Yeah.
No, you got to take
Trying to get one up on me.
Got to take the advantages when you can.
Yeah, that's a nice fish. That one. That looks like we're in Botany Bay again. All right, I'll get him up and show you.
You only had 1 fish, a little tiny mangrove jack, but you've got different species, which is good.
Yeah.
Nice trevally.
Like a little bit different than the ones in the bay, eh? A little bit GT,
Oh
I
yeah,
suppose.
yeah, that's a
GT?
what I'd call a tea leaf trevally. See the little
leaf.
spots on the back of him?
Yeah,
It's like the ones we get up in Weeper. Yeah, like a GT.
yeah, beautiful looking fish.
Yeah, awesome.
Yeah, thanks, mate. All right, let's see if we can get a few more, eh?
Yeah, getting back in the water.
Don't drop my phone in the water either.
No. Being careful.
Just getting back in the water. There we go. Little grunter.
Big
There he goes.
Well done.
Happy about that one. Bit of fun. Scotty's idea to come out here. We've got so much wind lately. And rain. And Scott's been up here for a week. I don't think it's stopped raining since you come up, mate.
The wind's got me now.
Hold on. Oh, it's right. Good one. Another brimbo. Ooh, better put you in reverse before I hit you. Oh, he's a good size. Hey, I've got a measure if you want to measure him. Huh? Be interesting to see how big he is.
I can see you now.
Yeah.
It's 30.
30 centimetres?
Yeah.
Beautiful. Well guys, that was just a quick little segment. We're out just day after New Year's Day up here in Noosa. Just having a bit of fun. I think Scott must have got about 7 or 8, maybe even 9 bloody bream.
Oh, it was a great little session. Paul got a small mangrove jack to kick the day off, and a nice trevally, which you've probably seen. So, yeah, that was a lot of fun.
Yeah, it was really good.
Yeah.
Looking forward to coming up here in winter maybe.
Yeah,
and,
with big brimmer up here.
Yeah,
Sure.
have a crack. Anyway, and there's some beautiful houses. Absolutely amazing houses.
Definitely worth just looking around.
Yeah, no, it's beautiful. All right, guys, well, we'll see you next week somewhere on the water. Take care, guys.